Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Toyota RAV4 air filter. First, open your hood and locate the air filter housing, typically a black box on the passenger side. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver for this task. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. This simple maintenance can improve your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency significantly, saving you money in the long run. Now, let's get that housing open. Use your screwdriver to loosen the screws or unclip the metal retaining clips around the perimeter of the air filter box. There are usually 4 to 6 of these. Once all are loose, gently lift the top half of the housing. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated. This will help you correctly install the new one. With the housing open, carefully pull out the old, dirty air filter. You'll likely see accumulated dust and debris. Take a moment to wipe out any loose dirt from inside the housing with a clean cloth. Now, take your new air filter and place it into the housing, ensuring it sits snugly and in the same orientation as the old one. It should fit perfectly without forcing it. Finally, carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back into place, making sure it aligns properly. Re-engage all the clips or tighten all the screws you loosened earlier until the housing is securely sealed. Double-check that everything is snug and there are no gaps. This quick replacement can make a noticeable difference. Also, for an even easier clean at home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.